வணக்கம் மக்களே, ஐம் பேக் டு யூடியூப் அகெயின். இத்தனை நாள் கொஞ்சம் டைம் இல்லை யூடியூப் வீடியோ ரெடி பண்ணுறதுக்கு. பட் இப்போ கொஞ்சம் ஃப்ரீயாக இருக்கிறேன். ஸோ யூடியூப்பில் என்னோட டிப்ஸ்லாம் நான் கொடுக்குறேன். சாரி கைஸ், ஐ வுட் லைக் டு ஸ்பீக் இன் மை மதர் டங் தமிழ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட், தென் ஐ வில் ட்ரை டு ஸ்பீக் இன் இங்கிலீஷ். Okay guys, let's go to the match preview. So today we are going to see about Everton versus West Brom. So lineups are announced. So lineup came before 1 hour itself. So I made my GL11 teams. Pakka I have made. So last match J League, my team won in GL. So this is the lineup of Everton versus West Brom. So Everton versus West Brom. So everyone know who are football fans. Everton will win, and there is a high chance for clean sheet. So if you want to make a GL own team on your own, you can make easily with my football tips. So what you have to do, just select 11 players from both the team who they are going to be playing 11 in Dream 11. So I have chose my 11 players. I will tell my 11 players first. James Rodriguez definitely, and 4 defenders from Everton must pick in SL. And Dominic Levin is DCL, shortly called as DCL. Richarlison, Callum Robinson from West Brom striker, and Jake Leomo, captain of the team West Brom, and Matheus Pereira. And in midfielder section, if you want to take any other player replacing James Rodriguez, you can take you can take Alan and Andre Gomez. Anyone you can pick. Alan is good than Andre Gomez, so you can pick instead of taking Alan, and you must try Docker, Abdul Docker. He is a very good player. You can make him captain and vice captain in your GL teams. So first of all, 11 GL team. How to make, bro? I will tell you easily. 3 team for supporting home favor, 3 team for supporting away favor. But in this case, in this scenario, in first match, in Premier League this match today, so we are going to be favor with Everton only. So my GL team will be based on Everton, and 2 teams I have made for West Brom also. Anything can happen. Recently, nowadays, big teams are flopping, and away teams are winning very much. So I have some safe team also for West Brom. So if you want to make 11 teams, so I will explain how to make 11 team easily. I won't show my 11 team. My 11 team will come in my Telegram channel only. So just watch the video and enjoy the video and win GL daily. I will teach you how to make football GL team. One day you will come and say, bro, I have learned football from you and I have won GL. That's my ultimate goal. I will help you all. If I can win GL on my own, why can't you win? Just try, bro. Give a try. Give a damn try, you will win. So this is my SL team, and my final team will be in my Telegram channel. Link will be given in description. So this is my 11 playing squad. Playing 11 squad. I have taken 2 strikers from Everton. One striker, Callum Robinson, is a very good striker, and West Brom also a good team. In Premier League, every team, the bottom table bottom team also will play exceptionally good because it's English Premier League, EPL. Premier League. And in midfielder section, you can take Rodriguez, must pick, and you can also take Dokere. If you want to change a team like this, you can also change for SL. And if you want to take Allen also, you can make like this. If I choose midfielder, I will go James Rodriguez. His recent performance are damn good. You can keep vice captain also James Rodriguez in SL. Okay, let's see GL. How to make GL team 11 team. I will show you one by one. So now I'll make my sample team for you. So I have taken 3 strikers. I have taken James Rodriguez. I will take Dokore, and in defender, Mina, Coleman, Digne. These 3 defenders are must pick. You should take in Everton. Don't drop them. Digne and Erimina is very good defenders. In opposite team, Bartley and Gibbs. These 2 defenders are very good. They can get you more passing points and tackle points. Nowadays, football point system updated to ultimate level. So Dream 11 is going to be heavy competition in football. So if you want to be best, just follow my YouTube videos. So today I don't have proper time, 24 minutes only left. If I upload now, you won't get my video that much time. So right now I'm just giving some tips. Follow and daily try see my video. Daily one team I will explain you how to make GL11 teams. So today I will just explain you 4 teams, how to make 4 GL teams. Okay, let's see. So I have taken why I have taken also I will explain. in my concept, Abdul Dokore, he's in playing in right midfielder, so he can get more passes also, and also he's having ability to score in. And in set piece, Erimina, Keen, Digne, and also Gibbs, these players can score goal in set piece. If corner they get, both the teams set piece players are Erimina, Digne, Gibbs, so you can easily get a score from corner. So this is one choice. You have to be conscious about corner kicks also, who is taking corner kicks. So everything you can find in SofaScore application. Just go through before 1 hour. You have to spend 1 hour time to make GL teams. I have that much experience, so I have made my 11 teams. So it's almost ready for me. Like little bit revision of my GL team, it requires. So I'll give my 11 teams in Telegram channel also. Just join my Telegram channel, and today just understand how I am making. If you have any doubt, just drop a message in comment box. I will reply you as much possible I can. And in Telegram, I always be active. So this is my like what part-time job only. So I will be little bit busy. So you can in this GL team, who can be captain as captain? Absolutely DCL and vice captain Richarlison. If you want to make vice captain shifting, so you can keep shift your player to James Rodriguez. So this will be another GL team, and another GL team like this: Abdul Dokore versus James Rodriguez. Both can having goal scoring ability, so you can easily win GL. So my aim to be teach GL team easy way, not in difficult way. I will teach you very much simple way you can understand easily. Daily I will try to post one video. If I'm busy, I could be able to make team video. So now I am uploading teams. Just watch in YouTube. Thank you guys. My teams will be coming in Telegram.